This is the time to get back to books. If you are having any higher aims in life of getting Group 1 rank or becoming an officer in life. Friends, one advantage with Andhra Pradesh now is that there has been some clarity on the examinations, and the state government is keen on conducting the examinations, various recruitments. Now that the existing Group 1 notification exams are being held from December 14th, hall tickets have already been issued. So this is the time for all those who are aspiring to become Group 1 officers next year. And as far as the information that is available in the public domain, that APPSC is also readying a calendar, and now this Group 1 is over, automatically there will be a next Group 1 notification along with others. Friends, I just want to tell you that preparing for Group 1 is no less than civil services. Whereas for civil services, there is always lot of planning for the purpose of those who are also in final year of degree and others. This is the best time that you will actually start doing preparation, start making preparation. It is almost required that about 8 months preparation is needed along with the writing practice to cover the preliminary examination syllabus as well as mains examination syllabus. So hypothetically, if the notification is as is expected around say March, April, this is the time that you should prepare. Now that all the cases have also been cleared on the existing notification, the exams are on, so there is no doubt that there will be one more notification next year. And in fact, most of the senior students have already started preparing. So friends, I suggest this is the best time to study for Group 1 2021, and it is not difficult if you follow a method. Even there should be a method in the madness. It's always said in English that if you are mad about Group 1 or becoming a deputy collector, RDO or DSP, it is very much important that you start now in a prelims cum mains orientation approach. Okay, and there are 3 pillars that give you success to you. One is the explanation. You should listen to a good explanation so that it will be easy when you read, because most of you are from different backgrounds and it may not be so easy that you will understand it by reading yourself. So a good explanation always helps to memorize things better. Secondly, content. Content is very, very important. That I mean to say, it is material or notes. And the third one is writing practice. See, how well we teach or how well you read, whether you are reading 27 hours a day or whatever, those 3 hours in the examination are the golden hours. Okay, so how do you write? What content you write? That is equally important. Generally, what happens, most of the focus will be on the classes and teaching, and also, but the content and writing practice is generally ignored. So, if you cater to them right from the beginning, it is very much easy that you will get a rank in the first attempt itself. And friends, the approach should be prelims cum mains. You should read certain areas which are always there in the prelims as well as mains. I am sure you know the syllabus. I also kept the syllabus on my portal, which you can see, that Group 1 syllabus, www.drsridharias.com. drsridharias.com is the portal website, our website. Please refer to that for the syllabus. And prelims and mains, prelims is qualifying. Of course, mains, we do have an essay paper. We have history and geography. Then we do have polity, international relations, governance, law and ethics. Then international relations may be asked in the essay. We have mostly polity. Then we do have economy, one full paper, Indian economy, economic development as well as AP economy. Then of course we do have science and technology. So these are the papers which you will have to attempt in the mains for 150 marks each, and after that there is a personality test. Prelims is only taken for the qualifying purpose, it is not included in the rank. So here you have areas, for example history, which takes long time for most of you to remember, then polity, constitution, governance and all that. The legal law is also there, some points. Then geography. Geography is also for prelims and mains. Economy. Economy is also very important, that at one go you will not be able to understand. So this is the time to prepare, because we are in December. In February we have a budget and the economic survey. So by the time you complete syllabus, we will also update you, so that the updated information will help you till your end of the examination next year. So this is the strategy. In fact, if you are preparing for civils also, this is the time to start. We are having a separate civils batch because syllabus varies and approach varies. Friends, at Dr. Sridhar IAS, we will never combine all the groups. You know, there are some systems or some institutions where they club group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, SI and all that. No, that will not help you. Group 1 is a niche examination where you need to focus a lot on a different aspect. Similarly, group 2 is objective, right? So we cannot club all. Even UPSC you cannot club with group 1 examination. So what I am trying to tell you is that we will offer you a best comprehensive coaching program for prelims cum mains, and of course interview guidance will also be provided after the mains for those who are successful on due to your own hard work and God's grace, right? So the details of the batch we are going to start. Already we have got a good number of admissions, and just because there are some people who have called me many times about when is the batch beginning. See, generally we don't change, I don't chase people. You know, once you call, I don't call you back, join my place, my place. It's good for you if you join, and we'll do our best always. So this is just a public notice before we actually start the batch. I welcome all of you to join and make good use of our expertise. Okay, now let me tell you the details of the program. What is the program? How it is structured. So friends, this is a 7 months program, because it's a long-term comprehensive batch. Now let me give you the details. Now we will be having a live classes. Now why is it that we are insisting on live classes is that whether in the material or notes as well as classes, we are not recycling the old classes. You can actually see there is a chat option where you can actually chat with us. Interactive live classes we have, it is almost like a normal classroom where you can interact, ask, raise doubts and others. A normal board based classroom teaching, of course, with PowerPoints and slides. Then classes will be from Monday to Friday. Saturday we are having tests. Now what is the process for tests, especially mains? With these are online tests where you write and submit the papers. I will correct and give you. So Monday to Friday classes, Saturday is the test. Friends, I tell you, no institute, you know, whether it is offline or online, except my institute is offering integrated tests. We don't separately charge for the tests, and it's not that you write at the end. Every week you write on whatever classes that has happened, whatever you are reading, and Sunday is meant for revision. Revision is also equally important, okay, because generally the mistake people do is they keep reading but they don't revise. So revision is also very important, and in that way that we also focus on revision for Sunday. I will give you some revision schedule separately for Sundays. Then we will give material, a very updated material. See, it's not that we will give you a bunch of books the moment you pay the fee, because we don't believe in giving the old material. Okay, even for this group 1 batch, the material we are giving will again be updated and give you from the classes that are going to happen from Sunday. Now what is the methodology for material or notes? See, if you are having classes from Monday to Friday, on every Friday by midnight, you will get the material emailed to you. PDFs will be emailed to you. So it's a very, very updated. That is one thing. Then duration of the course is 7 months. We are starting on December 6th and it will continue up to June 6, 2021. Then once you write your exam, depending on the notification, we will also give you an updation on current affairs and current economy to tag on, and there will be no additional fee for it. It will be included all the students who are part of this batch. We already got a good number of admission, more than almost 150 plus admissions we have got. So whatever, and there is a limit. We have a limit of 200 because tests are there. We just don't want to take as many people as possible and get busy. I take only those students to that number where I can personally supervise them. I can personally talk to each one of them, talk to them about their writing, their style, their content, how do they improve and all that. And I'm also available over phone or WhatsApp. Okay, if you come to Hyderabad or when I keep visiting other places, you can also meet me. So the limit is 200 only, so that the tests we can able to correct on time. And I personally take up the responsibility. My everything will be done under my guidance. Uh, it will be material tests, everything will be scrutinized by me. Okay, so what are the other aspects? So Monday to Friday are the classes, then Saturday are the tests, and of course after that the discussion will be there. Tests will begin 2 weeks after the classes started because I need to give you time to read. Okay, after that we will have a regular test after the 2 weeks. Then some of you ask me the question, sir, if it is live classes, what will happen if you don't log in on the exact time? Nothing will happen. See, it is up to you. I welcome always you to come live and listen to me or any other our experienced faculty to classes. But if by any chance, if you are unable to listen on the time, the classes will automatically saved in your login and the access will be given to you till the you write examination. The notification might come in March or something like that, or whenever it comes. See, I am not taking any responsibility for the notification, but my only point is that you need at least 7-8 months to complete the syllabus, and there is almost certainty that the notification will come before that, given the fact that the current examination is already on. Okay, that is the disclaimer. I have no hesitation in saying that preparing for long will actually will help you. Now, what is the fee? It is the lowest. It is the lowest in the given our standard and our reputation. This is the lowest. 25,000 plus, of course, 18% GST will be there because we are a GST recognized institution and we take pride in paying taxes. You can pay account transfer or Google Pay or Phone Pay to our current account number. Then, friends, faculty, we have the best faculty. I myself, I am Dr. N. Sridhar, and we have another senior faculty like Mr. Ratnakar sir and all that. There are the other best faculty, which will give you, most of them are also civils faculty, which will give you best of the classes and the material. Now class duration will be, there will be 3 classes a day, which is up to 4.5 hours. Initially, we will only have 2 classes for the first week, but after that it will be augmented. Okay. Then in view of the need to correct tests and personal explanation, see friends, all my students now, whoever joined them, even we have this current batch, large number of students, we had almost 600 plus students I have for those people who are writing mains now. Most of them I know by name. I used to call them, they respond, I only take the call, I handle them. So the need to correct tests and personal explanation, batch strength is limited only to 200 students. So as I said, we already have some admission. So I request you to please enroll fast. After that, giving admission may be a tough because we have a limitation of conducting tests. Okay. So friends, this is how I want you to study. Don't think that it will be done in a month or two. It is very tough for you. This is the best thing to do. So please join us and we will do our best. Okay, that's it, friends. If you have any doubts, you are welcome to call the office number which is given. Okay, and once you join, my promise is that we will not be disappointed because we have time. We are starting in the right time so that we can do completely. There is a lot of rush for this examination. People joined in the last minute. In fact, some batches like Indian economy, we do have lot of pressure to complete them. I don't want to any pressure, no compromise in quality for the next year. So please join us, and it will be on time. You will be happy. There are a lot of lectures in my YouTube channel. Dr. N. Sridhar's lectures, of course, this is also on the YouTube. So you see all other lectures of mine are Ratnakar sir, who for the demo purpose. Friends, ours is the best material, I tell you. The essay notes, the essay material I have given is updated till the 2 days back. You see any essay, any material, it looks the best in the class. Okay, so that is going to help you out, and please join us if you are aspiring to be group 1, and also we are launching a separate batch for civil services after 10-15 days. This is only English medium batch. We launch a Telugu medium batch after few days. Okay, but first we will do the English medium batch. Okay, friends, and thanks for listening to me. And I just say here are the details for you again. So these are the details which you can see: live classes, virtual classroom, interactive classes. Material will be given weekly. This is for the purpose of updation. We are not recycling the old material. 7 months course. Fee is 25,000 plus 18% GST. Payment mode, account transfer, Google Pay or Phone Pay. Faculty, we have the best faculty, friends. Myself and Ratnakar will supervise. Ratnakar sir will supervise. Then class duration daily 3 hours, but initially there will be 2 sessions. And the limit, we are also limiting to 200 students so that we are accessible to each and every one when you require us the most. See, there is no point if the faculty is not accessible. There is no point if I am not accessible, because this is a one-to-one learning. Okay. And I have been quite experienced. For those of you who don't know me, teaching for the last 20 years. We have got a very good success, though I don't unnecessarily boast on student success. That is not my policy, but we have got many ranks in group 1, group 2, and also UPSC civil services especially. Okay, so thank you, friends. Please join us, and we will begin classes on December 6th. Those who call us, the exact schedule and others will be provided. Thank you very much, and wish you good luck. Okay, get a government job, become an officer, then your life will be good. And being in AP, you are lucky, because in Telangana, for example, there have been no notifications at all in the recent past, but AP something is happening. So make use of it. And our brothers who are also waiting for Telangana notification, I hope they will also get it soon. There is a word that it is coming next year. But anyway, this batch is exclusive for APPSC Group 1 English Medium. Okay, thank you very much. Look forward to see most of you in the live class on December 6th. Okay, thank you.